friend, but you can call me Cam. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I have a review type thing for you guys. I'm gonna be reviewing my very first Boxycharm box, and I'm super excited for this because for the longest time I was a subscription member of Ipsy, and Ipsy just, I don't know, Ipsy just isn't worth it to me because you get like really small trial sizes. For example, my Tarte Shape Tape that I use is literally the mini one, and I don't know, it just isn't worth it to me to get a bunch of travel size items. I will say I do like the stuff that I've got from them, but it just, I don't know, I feel like I was taking my quizzes and changing my preferences, and I still just wasn't getting things that I liked. So I ended up canceling my Ipsy. I'm gonna be getting my last one this month, but I did decide to try Boxycharm, and I'm already opened this, so it's not gonna be a very like a first impressions, but I did just kind of want to show you guys like what's in the box. So Boxycharm is $21 a month, and you get full-size products, which is really nice, which is why I wanted to do this versus Ipsy, because Ipsy was like $10 a month for trial sizes. So I was thinking, you know, $10 more, I could get full-size products. That's more worth it to me. So it comes with this little like insert, and so you get a Beauty Protege palette, Luxie brush set, English laundry perfume, which I actually gave to my mom because she liked the smell of that one. And then you get the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, which I am super excited for, and then the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. So I'm gonna be swatching the eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna try out the mask, and I'm also gonna try out the lip paint. The English laundry perfume, it smells good, but I don't know, it just wasn't like my preference. It says that it has, let's see, fruity notes of melon, apricot, jasmine, and pear, grounded by alluring hints of masculine musk and sandalwood, making for perfectly balanced blend of aromas. It smells good, but like I said, just wasn't really my taste. And then also I can kind of like do a review on the brushes. So yeah, super nice. So these are the Luxie brushes, and I'm always excited to get brushes just because of the fact like I just don't have that many brushes, or you know what I mean. I feel like most of my brushes I've honestly gotten from subscription packages, so kind of more like smaller detailed brushes in my opinion. Luxie is a cruelty-free company, which is good. These are designed in California but made in China. So let's see what they say about these brushes. So it says the Luxie 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. So the 141, by the way, oh my gosh, like these brushes are so cute. They're so soft. So this is the 141 brush. So they say this one is good for smudging and smoking out. It is super nice on your lower lash line, so that is awesome. I am excited to use that. The next brush that they talk about is the 121, which is this one right here. And this is a mini tapered brush. And this one says it lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. So this is for the crease, super nice. Those are really soft. Let's see, the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products to your lid. This one right here, the mini angled one, super mini. These, oh my gosh, like, I'm definitely trying to get more into makeup like as I'm getting older, so I'm like really excited for this stuff. And then last but not least, the Luxie 131 mini angle brush can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place your color onto your crease. So this is perfect for, oh my gosh, that literally like is perfect right there. So those are the 4 brushes, and now we can look at the Tarte shimmering lip paint. And I haven't opened this, so like I said, I opened the box but I didn't open the actual products. So ooh, okay, so I got the color Strike Gold, and oh my god, this is so pretty, so nice. So let's read what this one says. So the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, it says this sheer lip gloss is infused in, sorry, I'm trying to talk too fast and I need to not. So it says this sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. It can be worn alone or on top of your favorite lippy as a topper. The reflective glitter gives your lips a fuller look, while the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, smooth, and soften the lips. Then it says Boxy tip. Use this lippy alone or all over your favorite lipstick to give it some sparkly dimension. So I guess I can just go ahead. I already have my I already got my Fenty on, but let me just like wipe it off real quick. Okay, so I took my Fenty off and I'm just gonna put on some chapstick so that it applies better. This is actually a tip. You should always put on chapstick before lip gloss. It makes your lip gloss stay longer and it won't dry out your lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on my lips, and we're just gonna get a first impression of this lip gloss. So right away, it smells like cake. Yeah, it has a very vanilla scent, and the applicator is, it's not really doe foot. This is actually kind of interesting. I've never seen a lip gloss applicator like this. So if you guys can tell, it's like flat. If you guys can tell, it's like flat, you know, instead of like a normal doe foot. So I guess this kind of does fit on your lips a little better, but I'm just gonna get a little bit and we're just gonna apply it on my lips. Oh my god. Actually, no, it's not vanilla. It smells like chocolate. This smells so good. This is really nice. I like it. It's it has like gold sparkles in it, and there's like some hints of like, I'm seeing like blue, purple, and gold. Cute. So next thing I see is the makeup palette, and I am so excited for this. So this is the Protégé makeup palette. So let's read this. I'm guessing Suva is S-U-V-A, so I'm just gonna say Suva. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, just let me know. But it says Suva's Beauty's new Protégé palette is a versatile warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. Boxy tip, the highlighter shades also make a great, amazing metallic eyeshadow. Wet your eyeshadow brush before picking up the shades for an extra bold color payoff. So let's get our first impressions of this palette. Oh, okay, so there was a little insert, which is always nice. Cute. Okay, so shades. So these 2 right here are the highlighter colors, and then like I said, it does have warm and cool tones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these on there. So this is one of the highlighters, Era. It's a really pretty like gold, kind of a frosty gold highlight, and that is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna take the other one named Theory, and this one is like a pinky, ooh, like a frosty pink highlight. So those are the 2 highlighters. Super pretty. So yeah, these are the colors, Poetic, Structure, and Aesthetic. So this is Aesthetic, and then that is Structure. Yes. And then this one right here is Poetic. So really pretty, super nice. So Tact is this one. It's kind of like a cream type of shade. It's coming up white on the camera, but it's definitely cream. And then this orangey, really pretty metallic one is Balance. And then this last one, which is a brown type of shade, is Conscious. So these are really nice shades. I honestly could see myself using all of these, especially the highlighters, and I really do like the warmer tones. I will say there's a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad, and this mirror is everything. Like, I love how big it is. I'm living for it. So this is the Suva Beauty Protégé palette, and it looks so nice. So I'm super excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this with my other palettes because I don't really have that many makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes, so I'm really excited to like keep getting the subscription and find out more about it. So the last thing that I'm gonna be telling you guys about is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and they actually gave me 2 of these, which is so dope. I think that's super nice. And so the description for this one says, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. So I am definitely gonna be trying out one of these masks. I don't have any makeup on, so like I said, they did give me 2 of these, and by the way, these are $24. Like, what? But yeah, so let's just try one of these. Like I said, they just gave me 2 of the same masks. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, and then I will be back in 15 minutes just to give you guys my final thoughts on my first Boxycharm bag, or not, it's not a bag, Boxycharm box. And this is really nice. Like, this mask feels expensive, which I like can't relate because I get cheap masks. Like, this is something I actually want to start spending more on. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm just rubbing in the mask because that's what it said to do. And okay, first off, my skin feels so soft. Like, you know, mask is kind of something I feel like I just buy cheap ones, but this actually, you can like tell, like, your face feels so nice. I did want to state, I'm not sure what shadow it was, but something made my arm itch and get red, so I had to like wash it off. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't take off that eyeshadow right away, because I'm gonna have to watch that for when I try and put it on my face. But yeah, I washed it off now, and now I'm fine. But that was kind of weird. Like, my wrist started to get kind of itchy where the highlighters were, so I'm not sure if it was the highlighters or maybe it was one of the other eyeshadows. I am not sure. So yeah, I guess those are my thoughts on this first Boxycharm box that I received. I really do like it. I'm definitely not gonna cancel it. I'm gonna continue my services. I'm thinking about getting that Boxy Luxe box, and I think the next one I believe is in June. That is the end of this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. I love talking to you guys, and subscribe. When you guys do subscribe, you can hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you guys will get notified every time I upload. I only upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!